This video is sponsored by Famoid.com, the best way to get social media followers in just one click.
First of all, open Google Play Store, click on the search bar, and search Clash Quest. You will have the app as the first result, but unfortunately, it is not available for us. If you are here, then install this game, and open it. But as you can see, the game is not available in our country. So we have to use the alternative way. Before that, open Settings, scroll down to the bottom, click Security and Location. And click Install Unknown Apps. Here, select your favorite browser. And then toggle on Allow from this source option. After all that, open your favorite web browser, click on the URL bar, and go to apkpure.com/apkpure-app.html. You can check the video description for the direct link. Once you are here, click this download button. Click OK to confirm the download. After the download is completed, click Open. Click Install to install this app. And once installed, click Open. The app will ask you for some permissions, so allow all of them. Now click on the search bar, given on the top. And then search Clash Quest. Click on the second result, which is Clash Quest. Here, you can download this Clash Quest game without worrying about the country you are living in. So, click this Install button. Then click Continue. And then click OK. Once download is completed, toggle on Allow from this source option. Then go back. Here, click Install to install the game. And once the installation is completed, click Open. If you are getting the login failed message, then you can try your desired VPN app to fix this issue. So, this is all in this video. We hope you liked it. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.